Hey, Scott coming to you from Southeast Georgia. Got a question for you. Are you plowing new ground? All right, you know that question could have a lot of different responses. Are you plowing new ground mentally, physically, or even spiritually? All right, I'm going to give you guys something, and you gals, ask and you shall receive. Don't take my word for it. Google it. Okay, I'm not a preacher, but I'm just going to tell you right now. Ask and you'll receive. I'm the luckiest guy in the world. Trust me on that. All right, this is out here. I've taken my tractor and I have, I'm getting ready to plant. I'm sowing seeds, all right? Got a lot of work to do, you know, but I love it. I just love doing this, all right? Well, you know what? We grow our own food for the most part, as far as vegetables go. And as I said in one of my videos the other day, not everybody has, you know, land like this. I don't give a dang if you've got, just say you live in an apartment or a small house and you got a 10 by 10 area. I'll walk over here and want to show you this, all right? I'm not going to edit this out because I'm just going to give it to you what it is. This is out here next to my well house right here. This is probably a little area here. See this? About maybe say 5 feet wide, 12 feet long. All right, this thing is going to be full of bell peppers, tomatoes, who knows what else, enough to where I can grow, say, I don't know, what do you pay for a cucumber in the grocery store? $1? I can grow them for about a penny or two. I'm just saying, we've got to get back to self-reliance. I keep saying that, but you've got to do your part. And when I talk about ask and you'll receive, I think you've got to do your part. Doesn't matter if you've got acres or whatever, or a 5x5 back porch, okay? Do your part, become self-reliant. We have become one of these nations where, hey, we expect everybody to just give us something. Let's get back to some old-fashioned, you know, at least a few basic skills of let's do our part and do it ourselves. I like the DIY concept. Do it yourself. Hey, it is what it is, and if I can do it, anybody can. I guarantee it.